How can I afford bail if I have no money? Imagine being in jail and wondering how you can get out when you don't have any cash. It can feel overwhelming, but there are ways to get help and secure your releases. Many people don't realize that paying bail isn't the only option. First, you might qualify for releases on your own recognizance. This means you promise to show up for all court dates without paying any money upfront. The court looks at your ties to the community, your criminal history, and the seriousness of the charges. If you're charged with a minor misdemeanor and have strong community connections, you might be eligible for this type of releases. Second, recent changes in laws in some states, like California, have made it easier for people who can't afford bail to get out. Courts now consider your ability to pay before setting bail. If you can't pay, the court might decide to release you based on your risk of fleeing or being a danger to the public. This means you won't automatically stay in jail just because you don't have money. Third, if bail is set and you can't pay, you can ask for a bail reduction. Your criminal defense lawyer can argue that the bail amount is too high for your financial situation. They can request a lower amount or suggest other ways to release you. Fourth, there are alternative ways to secure your releases besides cash. You might use property bonds, where you put up property worth the bail amount as collateral. Or you could sign an unsecured bond, promising to pay if you don't show up in court. Sometimes, courts allow releases on conditions, like electronic monitoring or travel restrictions, instead of paying cash. It's important to act quickly and talk to a criminal defense lawyer. They can help you explore all your options. If you can't pay bail and no alternative is available, you might stay in jail until your case is over. Being detained before trial can affect your job, family, and life, so fighting for your releases is very important. To sum up, if you have no money, you should ask about releases on your own recognizance, seek a bail reduction, consider non-cash options like property or unsecured bonds, and stay informed about recent legal reforms that protect people from being jailed just because they can't pay. Working with a lawyer can make a big difference in helping you get out and avoid unnecessary time in jail.